let's start with your introduction.
Okay. Miss Ankit, I'm from Nepal, currently living in Canada. I'm studying computer programming here, and I've been learning web development since past 8 months. Yep.
Okay, so you are pretty much new in this domain, yeah? So
Yep.
what drove you to get into web development?
Mm, like I love working with computers and writing programs. That's the reason why I chose this field. And that's the reason why I'm studying diploma in computer programming, which is related to the to my aim. That's why.
So do you have any past experience coding or doing something like that in IT?
No, I never coded before 8 months. Like, after coming to Canada, I got really interested in writing codes, um, coding programming. That's why now I love doing this, and I've been coding since past 8 months continuously.
Cool then.
Yep.
Let's see how it goes then. Okay. So
Okay.
you already have a link. Okay. I'll be pasting the questions here and then you'll be solving them. That's it. Cool है?
Okay.
ठीक
Yep.
है. Let me paste our first question of the day and here we go. पहला क्वेश्चन आपकी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे. Hmm. Okay. So you have an object. Okay. A
Yep.
JSON like this. And then you have to write a function to convert below JSON into the another format which is given below. Okay. So for example, you can see we have A, B, C properties. They are nested. It's like a JSON, nested JSON, right?
Yep.
So it's a JSON where we have a which has a value 1. Then we have B property, which is an object. Then inside that we have another property called C, it has two value, right? So you have to
Yep.
basically take out all the nested objects and paste them in the as a single string or single property. So if you look at the below object, you can see it has only three properties. First is A, second is B underscore C, then third one is C underscore D underscore E underscore F, which has a value of 3. Because basically you have to split the nested JSON. That's it.
Okay.
I believe you have understood the problem.
Yeah. I just need to convert this JSON into object, right?
Yep, into the below object.
Okay.
It's a nested JSON. You have to convert it in a not nested JSON, basically a single JSON. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you can see properties A, B, C, they are nested. Now, sorry, no, sorry, B, C, they are nested. So you will have to convert this in a property B underscore C. That's it.
Mm, okay.
This can be a little overwhelming, I guess. So I'll be helping you a lot because as you have just
Okay.
started the programming.
Okay. And let me create a folder first.
Mhm.
I'll use VS Code this.
You can use anything, whatever you want.
Can you see my screen?
I can't see your screen.
Let's first create a JavaScript file. I'm gonna use Node.js for to run JavaScript. Okay.
You don't have to run this code, just code it. Okay?
Just code.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I won't see the running code. I will just see the logic. That's it.
Mm, okay. This looks kind of hard to me, but let me try.
So this was asked in a MNC, Microsoft. So
Yeah.
you can say it's a medium level question. So that's why I said it can be a little overwhelming for you as you have just started in web development. But I prepared this for you. So that's why I just started with this.
Okay. So let's see.
I just need to see your problem solving approach. So even if you don't come to the solution, it will be okay. Okay. I just need your approach, how you think. Be as
Mm,
loud as possible. Okay. Speak your thoughts.
okay. Maybe we can iterate through these objects, these key value pairs. Um, and if the value is another object, like, are you getting my point? We are gonna iterate through these.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
so this one will be same because its value is not an object.
Hmm,
So if the value of the key is an object, then we are going to append the key with the key of the object.
very good. Yeah, exactly. That's how
Are you
you are.
getting my point?
Yep, exactly. That's
Yeah.
how we are going to solve this.
Okay. So should I write the solution now?
Yeah, exactly. You go ahead.
Okay. Um. So for let's write a for loop. So I'm gonna do like try and
Haha. Yeah,
hello.
yeah,
Okay.
haha, I can hear you.
Okay. So I'm gonna iterate through the values of this key. So how I'm gonna do it? Let's see. For
Have you ever used object dot values?
I think we can do something like obj. Okay, let's try this. Console.log obj.a. So is it gonna work? Let's see if that's gonna work.
Ankit,
Yeah.
have you ever used object dot values?
Um. No, I don't remember using those.
Okay. So basically, to iterate through this JSON, you will have to convert this into an array, right?
Uh. Okay. So in that case, I can do let array of object of array of object. So to make an array from object, we can do I think array dot from method. I don't remember correctly. So array dot from obj dot keys or something like that. Yeah, let's console this first. Console dot array of object. So no, array dot from dot keys or something. There is a method, I guess.
I think array dot from is for concatenating an array, I guess. Even I don't know. Array dot from. I have never used it. So you
Maybe
can use object dot values. It will convert the JSON into an array.
object dot values.
Hmm.
This
No.
okay.
Object. O capital. Okay, let's forget about this. I think let's move on to the next question. I think this was bit hard for you as you have just started. Okay, let's start with very simple question. Okay,
Yeah.
tell me what is JavaScript?
It's just in compiled scripting language that is mainly used in web development, but you can use everywhere, like in app development or what's that? Machine learning, those things, data structure algorithms, but it's mainly used in browsers. It
Mhm.
was meant to be make list number of mistakes, like number of errors. That's why it has list number of errors. Like it doesn't give you error as long as you don't like break things.
Okay, can you give an example uh, where the JavaScript works? Basically, a hardware or something apart from the
Yeah,
browser.
yeah, it runs in JavaScript engine. Um, to run a JavaScript code, you need JavaScript engine. So all the browsers and everything like Node.js is a JavaScript engine. JavaScript runtime, it has a JavaScript engine, which is I
ओके
guess
नहीं
from
मेरा सवाल कुछ दूसरा था आई थिंक मैं ही नहीं बता पाया सो बेसिकली
yeah,
जावास्क्रिप्ट रन्स ऑन ब्राउजर राइट
yeah.
तो कोई ऐसा एग्जांपल दीजिए जहां पे वो ब्राउजर पे रन नहीं करती हो एंड रियल सिनेरियो हो बेसिकली इट शुड बी अ रियल सिनेरियो इट
Not in
कैन बी
browser.
एनीथिंग
Um,
सो हैव यू
in server.
सो इन कार्स you see a screen, a tablet screen. Can
Yeah,
JavaScript be used in that?
yeah, as long as there is JavaScript runtime to run the JavaScript, it can run there.
Yeah, exactly. So basically, there should be a runtime or
Yeah,
whatever you said. What was it? A engine. If there is an engine in the hardware, then we can run
yeah.
JavaScript, right? So, okay. Have you ever used TypeScript?
TypeScript, I'm just learning TypeScript. I just
Okay,
started yesterday.
okay. Cool then. Let's start with the first question.
Yeah.
What is hoisting in JavaScript?
Hoisting is a concept in JavaScript. To understand hoisting, we need to understand how JavaScript is executed, like run by its engine. So in a JavaScript code, first, every line of code is first stored in memory. Like all the variables are first stored in memory, and it is executed, right? So concept of hosting is that when we declare a variable at the end or somewhere in our code, it
Okay,
is
just a suggestion.
yeah,
Whenever you're explaining anything, code it. Okay,
okay.
explain it through code.
Okay, so suppose we have this let a equals to 5 and
A
a
is equal to
function.
5. It was A is equal to 6.
Okay, a equals to
Anyway,
6.
doesn't matter.
Okay, so like we have many lines of code here, and we have another var equals var a equals to 5. Okay, and sorry, I declared it twice. So even if there are some lines of codes here, this variable declaration will go to the top. That's called hosting, because first all the variables are stored and then executed. So first these variables are goes to the top, and this is called hosting.
Okay, add a new line. No, on top. Okay,
Yeah.
don't comment this code. Add a new line on top. Write console.log A. What will be the value? What will be the output?
Um, okay, console.log. So in this case, a will be undefined because we have declared a later in the code, and here comes the concept of sorry, a will not be undefined. Here comes, okay, a will not be undefined. Okay, a will be we don't know a here because a is not declared yet. So
But earlier you said कि whatever variable we define after it goes to the top, then it
okay,
defines
so
something to it.
yeah, a will go to the top, but its value will not go to the top because the code is not executed yet.
So the
So
output should
it,
be undefined, right?
output so is going to be not going to be undefined, because this a because of the way this a is hosted, this called temporal dead zone. Until this line, the value of a is not accessible to us, and this until this line, until this a equals to C code, this is called temporal zone, and we a temporal dead zone, and we cannot access the value of a here
But why?
until this line.
What is the reason? Why is there
What is the reason?
partiality क्यों है यहाँ पे?
um let's see, maybe because a is script level, that's why. If this
Hmm.
was var, this would be global level, because
Okay.
var is hosted in global level and let is hosted in script level.
So basically, let has its own scope. You can say that.
Let has
That
script level scope and var has global scope.
what is script level?
Script level,
Do you mean scope level?
um, just a second. Let me show you. Suppose I'm gonna run this in browser now. So
No. Okay. इतना time नहीं है यार. So just go back. Okay, to index.js. Okay, I understood what is hoisting.
okay, okay.
ठीक है?
Script means small level of code.
Oh, okay. No worries. It's expected. Go to line 8.
Yeah,
Now write a function.
function to
And any function, just write it.
my func. Yeah,
Hmm.
this is function.
Yeah. Now go to top. Now run myfunc. Call myfunc.
At the top,
Yeah. Can we
my
access
func.
function like this?
We can access like this because functions when hosted, everything of this is stored. So when we run this code, first everything will be stored in memory. first memory is created for all of this, like um, all of the declarations variable for a memory person is created for var, then for my function. So it's already at the top level, and when we call this function, then it will be executed because engine already knows that there is a my function because everything is already stored. So how it executes is there is two sides. One side is to store variable and another is to run. So first everything is stored, then it is run. So my function is already in the memory, so it will execute.
Got it, got it. Just clear all of this. Okay.
Okay.
I'm pasting a new question, output question. You have to give me the answer, okay?
Yeah.
Oh God, why is why is it having black border? Okay, I've just pasted the second question. Can you see that?
Yeah. These three lines of code.
Just paste it into Visual Studio because your Chrome is not visible. It's a 3-line code question.
This code.
Yeah, yeah. No, 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 not this. I think I've missed something. I missed the another 2 lines. I'm just pasting it, okay? Yeah, now you can paste those 5 lines of code.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This.
Tell me the output.
So x is false means x is boolean. Y it's 0 but string, so it's not an empty string, so it's true. So false equals to true is first line is going to be false, and z equals to 0, 0 means false, and x equals to false, false, false. So first line is line number 4 is giving the result false, and another one is giving true.
Perfect. Just run the code. Do node index.js. What you said?
It's
First line is
first line is false and true. False,
first
another
is
is
false,
false and
second is
false.
true. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it. Just run the code.
I don't know, my laptop is lagging, that's why
Mm-hmm.
it's lagging. Oh, both are true.
Yep.
So
How come?
empty string with 0 is considered false within.
So tell
Sorry,
me, how is it?
string with 0. Sorry.
Tell me, how is it false? No, sorry.
So
Tell me, how is it true? Sorry.
first I was thinking that string is not empty, so it's not a false value, but um now I got to know that string with 0 is not a false value, but a true value.
Okay, do one thing. Remove 0, add 2 empty spaces.
Yeah.
Now, what do you think? What will be the output?
Um, it's going to be false because it's going to true because this is false now.
Okay,
I
just
I
run
think
the
I should
code.
write comments here.
Yeah, you can do that. You
False.
you should write comment in front of the console log, not here.
Oh, okay. X and Y. False equals to false. So false, false, true.
Run the code. Do you know about coercion? What is coercion?
Mm,
No, okay. No worries. You
yeah,
just
it's
ran
true.
the code, na? It's true.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Uh, no, the third thing. Okay, you don't know about coercion, right?
yeah.
Hmm. That's expected. So, what do you know the difference between double equal and triple equal?
Mm, yeah. Double equals and triple equals to I think they compare data type and the value, everything, I guess. So let me try.
Do
I
one
think
thing. Undo the code. Undo the code. Uh, Undo again. let y is equal to empty string, नहीं sorry, 0
Y
as
equals to
हाँ हाँ,
j string.
no 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 no, just undo the code ना, we had a string which had value 0, that's it. हाँ,
This
this
code.
is this code, okay. Now
Yeah.
change double equal to triple equal to.
Uh, Here.
Yeah, yep. Here you go. On line number 5 also.
My laptop is lagging. So.
Yeah, great. Okay. Now tell me, what do you think the output will be?
Double equals compares I think the reference, but triple equals to compares the value as well. So y and z, so both are 0, right? So both are 0, but their value is same, but they are not of same data type, right?
Mm-hmm.
So y triple equals to z. We never compare these. Okay, so let's see what this is gonna give. False triple equals to false. So this is gonna give false because they are of different value.
यप, ठीक है, मैं आपको एक बार डिफरेंस बता देता हूँ दोनों में क्या होता है। देखिए,
Yeah.
व्हेन वी यूज डबल इक्वल टू, ओके, सो उसमें वी एनेबल्स कोएर्जन। कोएर्जन बेसिकली ये कहता है कि लेट्स से ऑन वन साइड यू हैव अ नंबर, on
Yeah.
another side you have another data type. So what it will do,
Yeah.
it will see if you have double equal to, then it will convert another data type to number. ओके, अब क्योंकि स्ट्रिंग में वी हैड जीरो, ओके, जीरो को इसने नंबर में कन्वर्ट किया तो वो भी जीरो आया। फिर साइड में हमारे पास बुलियन था, बुलियन क्या था, फॉल्स, ओके, देन इट कन्वर्टेड दैट जीरो इनटू बुलियन। नाउ व्हाट विल बी द बुलियन ऑफ जीरो, इट विल बी फॉल्स। सो जीरो इज इक्वल टू फॉल्स, सो इसलिए वो ट्रू हो गया। बट इस केस में क्या होगा, इस केस में कोएर्जन नहीं होगा। सेम डेटा टाइप जो हमारे पास है फॉल्स डबल इक्वल टू स्ट्रिंग, स्ट्रिंग से कंपेयर करेगा, वो उसको कन्वर्ट नहीं करेगा, ठीक है। सो बेसिकली क्या होता है, डेटा टाइप आपने सही बोला, बट एग्जैक्ट जो इसकी टर्म होती है वो होती है कोएर्जन। यू हैव टू लर्न
Okay.
अबाउट कोएर्जन। वो क्या करता है, दूसरे डेटा टाइप को कन्वर्ट कर देता है पहले डेटा टाइप में, ठीक है, इसलिए ट्रू आ जाता है।
Yeah. Yeah. I knew
ओके,
data type, but not equation.
हाँ। मैंने काफी बार देखा है,
Okay.
काफी सारे यही बोलते हैं कि इट कंपेयर्स डेटा टाइप एंड अनदर वन डज नॉट कंपेयर डेटा टाइप, बट रियल आंसर इज कोएर्जन। कोएर्जन की वजह से ये सब कुछ होता है, ओके। नाउ आई एम
Okay.
गिविंग यू अनदर snippet. This will be okay. I won't say anything. I was about to give you a hint, but let's see your wisdom. Yeah, just copy paste it in Visual Studio.
Yeah.
Okay, I have copy pasted it 2 times. Just remove the second time. Yeah, perfect. What will be the output?
Mm, Let me think. So 1 is greater than 2, and 2 is greater than 3. Maybe this is gonna treat it as those and or get. So 1 greater than 2. This is false. Yeah. This. I think this is gonna be false.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Okay. You have to be sure in interview. Do you know the tech interviews are very, very, very harder than the real work?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm seeing this question for first time in my life, but I think it should be 1, and first it's gonna store 1 into x variable, and then it's gonna compute those.
Okay, okay. So
Okay,
just tell
I'm
tell
I'm
me the
just gonna
output.
guess. I'm just gonna guess because I've never seen this question. So, my final answer is this is going to be false.
Okay, run the code.
Okay, running the code.
What took you so much time to come to this conclusion?
Yeah, it's
Mm,
false.
Yeah, you were right.
So it's just gonna compare those things.
हाँ, पहले से ही you were right.
Okay.
ठीक है. Okay, let's let's come to the next question. This will be problem solving question, maybe the last one. Okay.
Okay.
So let's say you have an array. Create an array with values
Mm,
1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. This is my
let
favorite question. I ask this question to almost everyone.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Yeah. Now
Yeah.
you have to reverse this
Okay, I done.
without using reverse.
Okay, so without using the, you know what I'm going to do is um um let's see, this one is easy. I'm gonna eat through all of these
This is like the
and
first question we do in
sorry.
computer science. This is like the first question we do when we get into computer science, and 90% of freshers fail into this in this question only.
I equals to 0, I less than equals to array dot alien length and what am I typing? I equals to array dot length and we are gonna increment. So I'm gonna iterate through this. So okay, so I'm gonna let reversed equals to reverse equals to empty array. First dot. So there is no prepend method here. Reversed dot um I think there is a method called splice or something.
Oh man.
No?
There is, but I whenever I need to use this, I always Google it. I'm never able to uh, understand this function.
Yeah, that okay, so
Slice, splice, can't remember them.
then I can do this. I can iterate it from last to the first one. Array dot length. I equals to 0. Yeah,
Only
I minus
three.
now.
Can you do this in 3 minutes? Do you think you'll be able to complete this in
Yeah,
3 minutes? Okay, do it.
okay, okay.
Okay, you are
And
console logging it. Oh, wow.
array dot
Oh, how
sorry, sorry,
come?
sorry. No, I'm in a loop now. I equals to array dot length minus 1. Last index. I greater than equals to
What is the issue?
is so.
Okay, so you are getting undefined. Is it
Yeah,
the issue?
yeah.
Okay, let me see. What are you doing? Array
Array dot span.
length
So
minus one.
I'm at my last index.
Uh-huh. Perfect. Index is
Uh,
4. Then you will be iterating till 0. 0,
yeah,
1,
and
2,
we're gonna decrement it.
0, 1, 2, 3, up to 3. Yeah, perfect. Let I is equal to this. I should be greater equal to 0. I minus minus. Yeah, looks good. Then
I don't know.
how come is
Giving
it giving undefined? I just go to the console. Expand it, move it a bit to the top. Yep. Okay.
Oh, okay. I see the mistake now.
Mm-hmm. What was the mistake?
Somewhere here, maybe a bracket is missing. It says I is being redeclared here. Yeah. Okay.
What was the issue? Okay,
Uh,
okay. You used equal greater than instead of greater equal, right? Ah,
yeah, 4, 3,
silly
2.
mistake, yeah.
So
Okay, you are console logging it. Instead of them, you could have pushed it to the reverse side.
yeah,
Okay, cool है.
yeah,
ठीक है. एज अ फ्रेशर मैं ठीक है, एक्सपेक्टेशन थी इतनी थी, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. एज अ फ्रेशर आपने ये किया, काफी सही था. ठीक है, एक बार कंक्लूजन पे आ जाते हैं. ओके, सो
yeah,
मैं एक बार आपकी स्क्रीन थोड़ी बड़ी कर देता हूँ. वी हैव ओनली 3 मिनट्स लेफ्ट. ओके, सो सबसे पहले आपका क्या कहते हैं उसको, आपका इंट्रोडक्शन काफी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड था. ठीक है, मैंने कैसे
yeah,
उसको एक्सप्लेन करना है मैंने पहले बता रखा है पिछले मॉक इंटरव्यूज में, वो देख लीजिएगा. अभी इतना टाइम नहीं है. ठीक है, सो इंट्रोडक्शन पे आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा इंप्रूवमेंट करनी होगी. यू हैव टू इंप्रूव ऑन इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट. ओके, ठीक है. सेकंड इज, यू हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड, इट्स अ लॉन्ग जर्नी. सो अभी काफी कुछ है सीखने को. ठीक है, सो अभी जो आपका पाथ मेरे को लगा, जो 8 महीने मतलब 8 मंथ्स में आपने सीखा है, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. अभी आप चल रहे हो, ठीक है, धीरे धीरे चल रहे हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. सो अभी 8 मंथ्स के हिसाब से जो आपने इंटरव्यू दिया उसमें लग रहा है कि आपकी प्रिपरेशन है इतनी वाली, मतलब 8 मंथ्स में. ठीक है, यू हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड बट यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व द रिवर्स क्वेश्चन. इट्स वेरी गुड. ओके, सो इससे पता चलता है
yeah,
बेसिकली यू हैव इंटरेस्ट, यू कैन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस, यू हैव प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स. दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट फ्रॉम इंजीनियर्स. ओके, यू शुड हैव प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स. दैट्स इट. कूल है. जावास्क्रिप्ट
yeah,
आउटपुट आउटपुट क्वेश्चंस में यू आर स्टक एंड दैट्स एक्सपेक्टेड. इवन आई गेट स्टक. सो वो तो अलग ही
yeah,
लेवल के क्वेश्चन होते हैं जावास्क्रिप्ट आउटपुट क्वेश्चन. सो उसके लिए व्हेनेवर यू गेट टाइम यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर इट बिफोर इंटरव्यू. दैट्स द ओनली सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो अगर आज मैं
okay,
प्रिपेयर करता हूँ, एक साल बाद मेरे से पूछोगे, इवन आई वोंट बी एबल टू आंसर दैट. ठीक है, क्योंकि रियल में कभी यूज नहीं आने वाला है. दैट्स जस्ट टू शॉर्टलिस्ट कैंडिडेट्स इन इंटरव्यूज. उसमें ये क्वेश्चन वगैरह दिए जाते हैं. ठीक है, बाकी यू आर सीरियस, आपने मीटिंग पहले ज्वाइन करी एंड यू वर प्रिपेयर्ड पहले से ही. ओके, आई डोंट नो
yeah,
आपने मेरे ख्याल से पहले पिछले मॉक इंटरव्यू देखे होंगे इसलिए पहले किया है पता नहीं, बट हाँ, इससे बेसिकली आपकी सीरियसनेस दिखती है. ठीक है, कूल
yeah.
है. डू यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन?
No, I was expecting more from myself. So,
ओके.
so let's take an interview after a few months again.
Yeah, exactly. So the verdict is obviously no. You have just started. So it was like a very basic, whatever what we call in college life semester exam. It was like a semester exam only. ठीक है, but
Yeah,
it's a long journey. You have to prepare a lot. Mostly JavaScript question, you have to prepare a lot. Problem solving question. For problem solving, you can do lead code obviously. You should know that. Yeah, right.
yeah. I'm doing lead code. Like I have already done so many problems, but yeah.
कूल है, कूल है. दैट्स रियली ग्रेट. ठीक है, सो आई थिंक दैट वाज इट. वी हैव लेस देन अ मिनट. सो से समथिंग इफ यू वांट टू से समथिंग टू एनीवन,
Okay.
टू योरसेल्फ और या.
I wanna say something to you. Like I was expecting more from me, so yeah, that thing again. So let's take an interview after a few months again.